Tesla, come on!
The Tesla stock just keeps going down. I ran an Instagram story that said Tesla was on sale, 30% off, use coupon code TSLA at $210 2 days ago. Now it's $192 after I bought another $10,000. All right, it's time for what I call a real estate rant about stocks. Here's the thing. Let's just say one of the reasons I absolutely love real estate is because, watch this, when you have a house like this that needs a little bit of love, needs a little bit of touching up, and then we just walk over down this way and we have exactly the same model. See that house right there on the other side of the fire extinguisher? The one with the green car and the white car there, where this car is passing right now. Yeah, that house, same exact floor plan as this one, appraised for $600,000. Same floor plan, fixed up. This one, $450,000, needs about $50K in love, including driveway, painting, inside, outside flooring, you name it. I'll show you the whole renovation project. So if you want to see it, well, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button. All right, okay, here we go. Now, here's the thing. Even though I'm a real estate broker, I don't know if you could tell that I'm a real estate broker, and even though I'm such a fanatic about investing in real estate, part of me investing in real estate also includes me investing in stocks. And the reason I do that is because there's something known as reserves. See, much like this jug of water over here, when we get financing in real estate, we can use stock portfolios as reserves. So when we go to qualify for loans, we could show some stock money. Great, we need less cash sitting around in savings accounts. That's good. Well, unfortunately, because I fell in love with the Tesla brand after they started over the air fixing all my problems with the car, like that one day it rained into the car when I opened the door. Lauren's got a gutter here, and so she's taking care of all that runoff.
I'll just stay back here all the time.
Or all of the cruise control issues it was having with cruise not being available and all that stuff. Another example, car does this. After that stuff started getting fixed over the air, I really kind of started falling in love with the car. So what did I do? Well, after I got back from San Diego, I posted a thing on Instagram going, hey, buy some Tesla stock, and showed that I bought another $10,000 of Tesla shares. Ha! Well, that was in addition to the somewhere between $20,000 and $30,000 I had already invested into Tesla, just again as reserves and because, well, I thought it was a good idea. Well, unfortunately, that stock's been nothing but plummeting ever since. And the reason I am bringing this topic up is because when I look at that house, I know it's worth $600. When I look at this house, I know it's also worth at least $580 once I do the work to it. It's not gonna be as upgraded as that one, but it'll be worth $580. So, you'll be up $80,000 into the deal, $70,000, whatever, who cares? It's a good wedge deal, as we call it. And here's what pisses me off about stocks. The number one thing that pisses me off, I don't think there are wedge deals. Now, that's not to say there aren't professionals who can find what Charlie Munger called cigar butt stocks, right? Those stocks where you can puff a little bit of value out of them and sell them. That's not to say you can't day trade. I'm not trying to slam anybody's profession. I'm sure there are great companies that can be bought with strong fundamentals. And you know what? I get it. Tesla's one of those spec stocks. That's why I don't go super heavy on Tesla. I mostly put my other funds into safe things like Apple. The point is, I don't know that the average consumer can get wedge deals in stock. That is, I don't think you can buy Tesla for $250 knowing it's secretly worth $300 because they're a commodity, right? Every single share is the same. All you can do is base your stock buying decisions on expectations. And those expectations are usually Wall Street's expectations, which Wall Street and getting disappointed or getting overly excited is, well, I guess why Wall Street has the reputation it does. But the point is, in real estate, average everyday consumers can buy good deals and instantly be up on net worth. They can also buy cash flowing deals. I don't care if you're in the Midwest buying small deals, you're in Florida or Texas getting lots of cash flow, you're in California getting a little bit of cash flow. It doesn't matter where you're buying. The principles are the same. You can buy a good deal no matter what market you're buying in. That same thing is not overly abundantly clear for the average everyday consumer. And again, making it super clear here, not trying to take away from professional advice or professional advisors or all the people that are going to flame me in the comments section going, oh, why would you invest in Tesla anyway? This metric is this, and the price to earnings and this, and the debt or whatever. Who cares? It doesn't matter. The point of all of this is simply to make the lesson that I've made almost all of my money, not from stocks, but from real estate. And the odds are, if you're an average everyday dude like me, you can do this same thing. I'm not professing to be special. I'm just professing to be pretty well educated in investing in real estate. And that's what I teach in the real estate investing course. I think people think, oh yeah, real estate investing course, another course just to show people a little checklist. Oh yeah, buy deals in California, they're great. No, that's not what it's all about. It's about teaching you the fundamentals and principles, and that's why I do live streams twice a week to really get down into the dirt with you and look at the deals you guys are actually doing and give you my opinion on those. I don't see that kind of stuff in stocks. I mean, maybe I need to start like day trading natural gas stocks or something like that and join my homie Ricky Gutierrez in making, $500 to $1,000 a day doing some natural gas stocks. But in the meantime, I'm gonna stick with the sure thing. And I kind of encourage you to do the sure thing as well. Because to me, it's much easier to get a home inspection and find out the value of properties based on comps and figure out where discounts are than trying to understand what generally only Wall Street or company insiders know. And look, if you're an insider, take advantage of it. Although I think they call it insider trading, they don't have something like that for real estate. So kind of motivates me to keep sticking with real estate. Now, about the stock itself, I don't actually plan to sell the stock. Here, let me take you inside this house. We're starting demo on this tomorrow, by the way. Now, I don't actually plan on selling the stock. I don't think anybody should really be in the short-term game unless you're purposefully trying to make a business out of day trading, in which case, fine, you want to make a business out of day trading, hey, whatever. But to me, average everyday investors can take that same $30,000 and buy something like this. Look, most people who looked at this deal, they're like, there's no way this deal can get financing. Let me show you guys a trick, okay? Because guess what? I financed this deal, which if I can finance this deal with 25% down, you could finance it with 5% down, which 5% down would be what? Half of $45,000, so whatever that is, $22,500. Anyway, so you could have financed this for $22,500. Let's turn some lights on. This power's still on, it's shocking. Anyway, okay, we'll just go over here. See this? Where I'm standing right here, it's supposed to be a smoke detector. And the appraiser said there's no smoke detector. So guess what we did? Put in the smoke detector. Now the seller wasn't obligated to do that. I came out of pocket to do that on his property. Big deal. 2 smoke detectors cost me $50. Now, there was another thing that came up though. We had to strap the water heater. Ooh, and you're thinking to yourself, oh, well the place looks like a fixer. Like how could anybody pay $450,000 for this place? I get it. I saw the comments the last time I did a walkthrough on this place. I get it. But people are like, there's no way you're gonna be able to get financing on that. I don't think it's gonna happen. There's no way. And so what do we got? Huzzah! A strapped water heater. Because I picked up the phone and called the plumber and I'm like, bro, I need some straps on the water heater. Boom, they put the straps on. Boom, I get my financing. We're still gonna replace the thing. I mean, we got some, corroded metals and stuff going on here. Don't worry, that's all in the budget. But the point is, to me, real estate's freaking easy because I look at this stuff and I go, I know what to do. Stocks, I don't know. So don't ever expect Meet Kevin to sell you a stock investing course. In fact, I talk about investing in stocks and the only reason why I do in the real estate course, but I already told you why in this video. And so while this is a little ranty, I get it. Hopefully you're able to take away that, look at this, watch this. Let me show you a couple more things. You're gonna love this, watch this. This is why I love real estate so much, okay? Look, you come in here, what do you see? You go, oh my gosh, this is terrible. We gotta replace everything. It's nasty, it's gross. New toilet, drywall repair. This fiberglass tub, not only is it solid, but it's not leaking. It's actually very dirty, and that's it. So we clean it up, re-caulk, re-polish the sides a little bit. We'll put in a new diverter and shower head and all of that. Put a nice shower curtain in front. Now all of a sudden for under $400 with, fiberglass refinishing, dude, this stuff is up and running again. Throw in a new toilet, fix the drywall, boom, problem solved. This looks great. Obviously, we're gonna replace the light fixtures and paint, clean the rest up. But come on, folks, that stuff's easy. You get people that come in here, and I was evaluating too. I was thinking to myself too, you know what, I gotta replace this shower, because it's like, it is a shower. I mean, look at that. Look at that shower. I mean, look what we got here. Is that what I call mold? Yeah, I got some mold right there. Look at that. We got some rust over here too. I love it. Look at all that rust. Oh, look at all that corrosion. That's perfect. That is what I call wedgie right there. The reason I call it wedgie is because I look at this and I go, we'll take the rusty stuff off, we'll replace the corroded stuff, we'll get rid of these old funky glass doors, rip those out, scrape the tiling, leave the tiling there, but give it a nice scrape of all the debris and nasty, re-glaze it, boom, the thing will look brand new. And stay tuned because I'll be posting videos before and after, and you'll see. I will be getting a new vanity though, I'll promise you that one. All right, so bottom line is, I can do that in real estate. I could touch it, I could feel it, I could go here and I can do things to it. I can't do this if somebody else is investing my money into real estate for me, like some fund manager or whatever. That's why I don't like that, because I'm not in control. I lose the ability to see, we're gonna do this because this is gonna be more profitable for me, rather than some fund manager going, we're gonna do this and we're gonna go overpay for a deal so that fund manager can get some money and you just hope to have some cash flow and appreciation, right? No. I'm not a big fan of just relying on appreciation. I'm a big fan of going into a deal like this and going, give me my 70 or 80 grand day one. That's what I like. That's the money I like. Tesla got me a little pissed, okay? All right. Make sure to like and subscribe. And check out the course below for 18% off using spring 2019. Oh, and you can visit me on tour too. We'll be in New York next, followed by places like Austin, Boston, DC, LA, Seattle, you name it. Chicago is one of the destinations. We're gonna be all over. Atlanta, it's gonna be super fun. Can't wait to see you. Philly's on the list. So hope to see you there, and we could mutually celebrate or be sad about Tesla stock, depending on what's happening then.